Hi everybody. Today we are going to learn how to force 4 times MSAA on Android using developer options. Open the Settings app on your Android device. Scroll down to the very bottom of the menu and tap directly on About Phone or About Device. Locate the entry labeled Build Number. Tap on Build Number 7 times in rapid succession until a pop-up message appears stating you are now a developer. If prompted, enter your lock screen PIN, password, or pattern to authorize developer access. Go back to the main settings menu, scroll down and tap on System or look for developer options directly. Inside the System menu, tap on Developer Options to open the Advanced Configuration Parameters. Scroll down through the options until you reach the section header labeled Hardware Accelerated Rendering. Locate the setting labeled Force 4 times MSAA or Enable 4 times MSAA. Tap the toggle switch next to Force 4 times MSAA to turn it on. The graphics rendering engine will instantly apply 4 times multi-sample anti-aliasing to supported 3D applications, delivering sharper visual rendering across rendered object edges. And that's it. I hope it helps you on your current and future project. Thank you for watching.